Before I start this video, I have a Facebook group called Job Seekers in Germany. This is one of the most active Facebook groups I can tell you for job seekers for any kind of job. The first link in the description, that's where you can be part of. And yeah, if you have any questions, I have my team members who are part of this Facebook group to answer your questions. Alright guys, welcome back once again. I'm sitting here with Hardik. Hardik has recently got a job in Germany, in Berlin, in the month of December 2018. He's quite fresh, and that's why I wanted to bring him on my channel and to share your experience with my audience, so that there are a lot of people, they need just one push.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
A lot of times we are very hesitant to take that one step, whether should I go abroad for work or not.
Correct.
Or the bigger question comes, will I get the job or not?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
You go through a lot of different circumstances, right? When I'm talking sitting here in Germany, you'll have a different scenario and a different situation where your working condition, your financial commitments to life,
Correct.
your family commitments, all that thing. So we're gonna be probably touching on all these points, but main part of this video is to walk you through his journey, how he applied for a job, and what recommendations he has for you guys. So make sure that you watch this video till the last. Hardik, let's start with your quick introduction, like a 30 seconds to 45-second quick introduction, so that people can have a bit more context of who this person is.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So my name is Hardik Kumar. I'm from Surat, Gujarat, and I did my bachelor degree in information technology, and I have my master degree in computer science and engineering. I have a 3 years of experience, including 1 year of internship in Dell company. My profile is basically a software quality assurance engineer, which is basically with the software testing, automation, continuous integration and delivery pipeline. So all those domain I have.
Just a curious question which comes to my mind. So were you only looking for a job in Germany specifically, or you were fine to get job in Europe anywhere?
In Europe anywhere. So I applied in Germany, basically in Estonia and everywhere.
How did you start this process of finding a company, applying on which website, and how many job applications did you apply, all that?
I applied around 30 companies, and then I got the response or a first interview around 10 to 11 companies. The thing is, so when you are applying to any job portal, so we have a job portal like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, then we have a Zing.com, then we have Stack Overflow job portal. You have to set a notification on those job portal.
Right.
So for example, I am a software quality engineer. I will set a notification in all the job portals.
Okay.
And then I will get the mail that there is a ABC company in which software quality opening is there. So then I will go to that company career page, and from there I will apply, not from the job portal apply button.
Right, smart guy.
Only applying for a job which has a English language or something like that. Yeah.
Did you use any German format CV, or you used any international format?
Yeah, so before I start this process, one of my ex-colleague was already in Karlsruhe. He's working in the IT company.
Okay.
So I talked to him, and I asked him how's the IT culture there, and how was my wife career scope there, because my wife is a microbiologist.
Okay.
So I asked him, gather all the information, and then I only asked to him, give me your curriculum vitae format. And then directly I put my profile things.
Right.
And that was, I don't know what is that format actually.
It's actually a tabular format.
Correct.
People have to go. What I want to ask is, when you applied for this interview in the current job where you are right now, what kind of process did you go through? What kind of questions were asked to you? Can you share that, or it is
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I can share that. So in the first round, HR will ask you the basic introduction questions. What is your expectation in terms of work?
Okay.
Yeah, and what is your joining date? So in the joining date, you are already working in the India, so you will probably have 2 months of notice period.
Yes.
Answer that way, like including 2 months of notice period and visa processing time, it will take around
3 to 4 months.
Yes. So after the first round, she replied me back that I will give you a coding challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have to finish it within 24 hours.
Right.
And in the other company also, it is the same thing. Second round is a coding, So there are two type of coding. One is the live coding.
Okay.
The second one is the offline coding.
What happened with you?
For me, the current company, it is like they gave me the offline coding thing.
Okay.
They gave me the document and I have to submit in within 24 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, so and then I shared my solution to them and then next round came. So third round is basically a review of whatever the coding you did. So if it is a offline coding, they will run your code in front of you and then they will show you like why you did like this. So basically for me it was a develop a automation framework for a testing. It is like a user interface testing and API testing. So for that I have to build a automation framework.
Right.
So automation framework will have a layer structure. So I use that layer structure and they asked me why you use that layer structure, what is other kind of design structures are there and all. And then they run my code. They ask me some questions like if I do like this and if I don't like do, what will happen and all that stuff. The duration of that round is like 1 hour.
Sure. So I went through all these rounds. What happens next? So was that the last round?
No. So that was my third round. There was a fourth round which is a performance related. So we have a different kind of testing, which is like performance testing and then security testing.
So technical round was still not over?
No, it is still not over.
Oh my god, okay.
Yeah. First we have a performance related questions, like if I wanted to do performance testing, what kind of strategy and what kind of things you did in your past company. And if you have a security testing, what is your past experience in that particular area. So that was the questions you will get mostly.
Sure, so you already went through 4 rounds now.
Yes.
What is 5th round?
So 5th round is basically the interview with the VP.
Okay. I hope that's last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is an interview with the VP of engineering. So he will basically ask what is your interest, how you see your quality assurance team and
yeah, it's already formalities.
Correct.
Because their 3rd and 4th round were kind of like very technical.
Yes.
If they wouldn't have liked you, they would have already sent you back.
Correct. Yeah.
Hardik, a lot of people would also love to know, since you come from IT industry, what are the new trends or the new domain companies are really hiring?
Basically, I'm seeing in Berlin, the Java language scope is very good.
Okay.
The people who I met are working on domain of the Java. So if you have a Java language, there are very good scope here in the Berlin. Then if you're talking about pure domain, then data analytics and AI is a very good domain here.
Yes, I will agree with that, yeah. I think a lot of people also have this question of how do I know what is my worth? How do I do salary negotiation? Imagine your first round, HR asked you, what's your expectation? If you say way beyond expected, then you're gone.
Yeah, so I already talked to you, like I got a reply like HR round from 10 to 11 companies. So that was like first round with the HR, and around 5 companies didn't go ahead after the second round or third round because of this reason.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like so you already mentioned in one of your video, like you have to if you want to find what is your range, you go to payscale.com.
Oh god, you watched my content. Yeah. I said payscale and salary.com.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in payscale.com, you directly search like software quality assurance engineer.
Yeah.
So directly write on a Google like salary of software quality engineer in Berlin.
Yeah.
So it will show you the payscale.com, and if you open that, it will show you the range.
Right.
And in that range, you go to above average.
Right.
So that is my suggestion. Above average and minimum to that maximum.
Understood, yeah. In this whole process of you coming from India all the way to Berlin for a job, what you think you made a mistake, what they should not make it?
The mistake what I am seeing is when I got the job offer from the Berlin, then I don't have the visa appointment. So I have to apply for a Bangalore consulate.
Oh my
for
God.
my visa.
I know the conditions.
Yeah, I have a job contract on my hand, but I don't have a visa appointment. So that was a situation. Then I surfed on the internet, like you have to wake up on 3:30 morning and you have to book the appointment for the same.
Yeah.
And all that stuff. Whatever the situation, visa situation you have to communicate with your HR. So
that's so important.
Yes. So my company already, so I talked to my HR like there is no visa appointment till February end.
Yeah.
My joining date was 17 December.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
And they agreed like if you are not getting your visa, you can work as a freelancer till you get your visa.
Wow.
So
that's such a good thing.
Yeah, so they helped me. So they told me that as a worst case, you can work as a freelancer from the India. Once you get the visa, you join the Berlin office. And the next day itself, I got a visa appointment. So in Bangalore, I got the visa appointment. I submitted all my document, and within 2 days, I got the visa. And then I fly to here.
I think the point what you're trying to make, what I understand is you need to plan better.
Correct. Yes.
Right? You need to make sure that already if you gave 5 interviews and already you know that you've given 5 rounds of interview, you've got selected, then rush for a visa interview.
Correct.
Try to get the appointment ASAP. Don't leave any stone unturned. How hungry are you for that job? That is what matters, I guess. That's why you're here.
Yes.
Without working hard, nobody gets anything otherwise. Thanks a lot, Hardik, for coming on my channel.
Yeah.
And do you have anything?
Yeah, be patient. I am very sure you will get the job here, but you have to be patient while you are in the process. You will always feel that I already give this round, when I'll get the answer. But be patient, you'll get the answer, and then prepare for the next round. So that is my suggestion. So the success is be patient. That's all. Yeah.
Right. And even if you're not have reached that far, which is visa interview and all that, and if you're still stuck in applying, then apply more.
Yeah,
that's what we can say for you. Huh?
Correct.
Apply more and have more patience. All right, on this note, I would like to say goodbye, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.